Unlock the mystery. Understanding, mysterious. Hello, and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the enigma of a word that often captures our imagination: mysterious. This word paints pictures of shadowy figures, unsolved puzzles, and secrets awaiting discovery. If you're ready to dive into the depths of the English language, then come along as we explore the various facets of mysterious and how you can use it to enrich your vocabulary. Mysterious is an adjective that describes something that is difficult or impossible to understand, explain, or identify. It's derived from the word mystery, which refers to something that is a secret, unknown, or beyond understanding. When you say that something is mysterious, you're saying it has an air of mystery that makes you curious to learn more. Let's look at some examples. A mysterious noise at night might make you wonder what's causing it. An ancient ruin could be described as mysterious if little is known about its history or why it was built. A person can be mysterious if they keep to themselves and don't reveal much about their life or thoughts. Now, let's see how to weave this word into our sentences to effectively convey the sense of mystery. The mysterious figure in the corner of the room was actually a statue covered with a cloth. She received a mysterious letter that contained only a single clue about her heritage. The dense fog gave the old mansion a mysterious and eerie atmosphere. In each of these sentences, mysterious adds an element of intrigue that invites the listener or reader to imagine scenarios that are full of secrets or unknowns. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings and can be used interchangeably in some contexts. For mysterious, some synonyms include enigmatic, inscrutable, and cryptic. Each of these words can be used to describe situations, people, or objects that aren't easily explained or understood. Related words that you might encounter include mystery, a noun form that describes a secret or something that is not fully understood. Mystify, a verb that means to confuse or puzzle someone. Mystical, an adjective that describes spiritual or mysterious realities that are beyond ordinary understanding. Some common expressions using mysterious are: she has a mysterious past, indicating that not much is known about her history. It's shrouded in mystery, often used to describe something that is hidden or covered in secrecy. That wraps up our exploration of mysterious. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing word and given you new ways to express the unknown or the not so easily explained aspects of life. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little mystery to your conversations or writing. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.